friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created a 1-minute pocket. This is a super cool pocket that you can make out of a square. You can do 4x4, 6x6, 8x8. I would only do 4x4 though if I was working in a mini journal, just so that you know. The pocket, and it's a double, isn't that cool? The pocket that I created, I used a 6x6. Okay, my friends? Today, my friends, you're going to need a square, and it should be 6 inches or 8 inches. I am using a book page. I like both sides, so I'm really partial to this side though because I think it's so cute and funny. This is food that was made out of material, like that's hats and gloves and puffy jackets, like a puffy vest and all that. So I think that's kind of cool. So if that could show, I think that would be a lot of fun, but I'm not sure how this is going to go. You'll also need glue and scissors and inks. The first thing we want to do is position the square on the table, and I'm going to flip it over, like a diamond. I've pulled this down so that you could see the measurements on my mat, okay? So we've got it centered here, and we need to fold down 1 inch. So that means we're going to fold down to this dotted line right here. And I can use the little dots to keep my fold straight. Like I can see that I did that straight. Now we're going to meet tip to tip. So this one is going to come up here, and we're going to fold that. This is going to get wrapped around a journal page. And if I'm following the directions, I am to glue just the bottom straight edge to the bottom outside corner of a journal page, and then wrap it on both sides of the page. So I'm thinking it's supposed to wrap around like this. So I'm actually, because I would like this to show just because I think it's super cute, I'm going to go ahead and change up my folds. Okay, so now, prior to adding it to my journal, I'm going to pre-crease it, okay? So I'm going to go like this, because this is what I think is supposed to happen inside the journal. Yeah, I see the tuck spots now. That's pretty cute. Pretty darn cute. Okay, but I just wanted to give it a little pre-fold before I added it to a journal page. All right, my friends, I am going to use this base as a journal page. I'm going to go ahead and add the bead of glue to the very bottom. And then I'm actually going to go up right in the center here, just to give it just a little bit more stability. Now I'm going to put my base or journal page right here, folding this over. There we go. That's a really neat pocket, you guys. It's a double pocket. I love it. Now when I go to glue this into a journal, I'll go ahead and use a fabric. I'll use fabric as a hinge, or even washi tape or something like that. So let me show you how the pockets work. So we have a pocket here, isn't that great? And then I'll just grab this tag and pop it in here. So it's a double pocket, and I think it's really cool. Please check out Cindy A. Lewis's channel and see what she came up with for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.